How to use the exponential moving average cloud with pivot and swing points. Firstly, let's cover some basics and then move forward. Let's start with just exponential moving average, which is a type of moving average that places a greater weight and significance on the most recent data points. The exponential moving average is also referred to as the exponentially weighted moving average, and reacts more significantly to recent price changes than a simple moving average, which applies an equal weight to all observations in the period. All that means it's a bit more reactive. The most used lengths are 20, 50, 100, and 200. Our cloud indicator uses default settings of 20 and 50, but everything can be customized and adapted to your style. EMA Cloud is part of the trading suite and will be turned on when you insert the script in the trading view. You can always turn that on and OFF or change settings. Now let's check the situation on the chart. When 20 EMA is above 50 EMA, the cloud becomes green and indicates a bullish trend. This is a great time to buy. If the cloud becomes wider, that means the trend is getting more and more momentum and becomes stronger. If you don't like the noise, you can simply insert higher lengths of moving averages, as for example 50 and 100. You can see there is no more noise and charts are much smoother. If the trend is negative or bearish, the cloud will be colored in red. Those cross points can be used as a good indicator of when to enter and when to exit the trade. You can also use the cloud as support and resistance. When the price is above the cloud will work as strong support, and when the price is below, it will serve as resistance. You can see a good example here on the chart. Now let's go to the swing and pivot points, but first, let's enable them by going to the settings and clicking on pivot points high-low length. Just to make things a bit more clear, I'll turn off moving averages as well by sell signals. The swing points indicator will automatically draw swing points such as higher high, lower low, and higher low that are indicating the swings in trend and can be easily used if you are a swing trader type. The input that you change is the number of candles that the algorithm is looking in the left and right direction. Let me explain how I'm using that and spotting the swing in the trend. Red trend is negative since we're having lower lows and lower highs, those are the swing points. When we start getting higher highs and higher lows, this is a good indication that the trend is about to change.